Alright, let's pretend that you need.
Thank you for your sacrifice.
That pork and a nama.
Right?
Yeah. Sugar. Take off the burning after you lick.
I want to try it.
Want bread?
Yeah.
When I started making a whole seafood boil video.
I need to document these things.
Hold on, we never take no picture on
I
everybody
took
hand
it.
dirty.
I'll do it when I'm done after I taste it. Alright.
I missed it.
Apparently people put bread in the black water.
Right. Yeah, you dip it and then taste it.
Someone must soak it.
No, you have to just dip it and then take a bite.
Exhibit A.
Oh, she actually has it.
Note for the record, if I die, this will cause me.
Oh, wow. Let's put it on the blood.
The salt.
Yeah. Supposed to keep pepper.
It's not. It's more salt than pepper. Not pepper. High blood pressure.
Just put them.
Oh my goodness.
And then now you need something to knock this right.
Honestly, I used to eat the children when I my mother used to tell me, say, use your teeth and open it.
Use your teeth.
And you can use the end part of it here. Yeah.
And dig it out.
I missed the lesson. How did that go now? What must do with this?
Yeah, pull it.
Pull
Just
it?
pull it apart,
Pull
yeah.
off anyone, that part.
And you can use the end part of this and dig out that.
Wow.
If your teeth can't open it.
Or you can bite the back of it if you're going to so that this will open up.
Must be $1 million me for my teeth, you know. Must be mad. You must be mad. Don't judge me, guys, that I don't know how to eat crab. I haven't had land crab since probably primary school or early high school. But this crab from Hero Circle, it was so good. There's definitely some parts I would not eat. The egg, the crab doodle. Do you guys really eat that part of the crab? Like, are we starving? No. Let me know down below if you guys eat that part. Then early Saturday morning, I went to Rootless Sports Academy to do a self-defense class, and it was super fun, as you guys saw earlier, and it was very informative.
It's a blood choke, with 6 seconds you're going unconscious, bar one. Cool, and you might also bring the windpipe. Then holding on to your shirt is more so a sign that they want to control you without hurting you, trying to get you to subdue. Same thing with them pinning your arms down. Cool, and the last one is punches, and after no punches are going to cool. Alright, so keep this now, don't let that go. So just keep it on, don't let the hand. Cool. Pull out your knee now. Then we'll go. One more. Third go. Turn up the moment. Right. Much better, last one.
Afterwards, we went to Pizza Swirl to grab some breakfast because we definitely worked up our appetite. Have you ever had this? And if not, where's your childhood? So we're at Art Walk, and this lady come up to us, right? And then she was like, oh, let me give you an armband so we can account for people that are here, because, you know, it's an open event, we want to know. So she gave me this color armband to give Dre one too. And then, like, she was talking to some younger people. She's like, oh, what's your age? Are you guys up below 30? And then apparently the colors mean something. So I asked her, oh, what does green mean? The woman say, it mean above 30. Can you imagine? She thinks I am above 30. I can understand him being above 30. But me? I need justice. Justice, me need. Above 30-year-old.
Younger than 30.
So yeah, we're here at the Art Walk, and it's held every last Sunday of the month. And they turned this little ruin area into an outdoor cinema of sorts. So we got to watch various presentations. Afterwards, you're gonna see us take a walk down the lanes. We got t-shirts. I was saying to Dre that this would remind me of DR, but then it's very organic that they keep the zinc fence in the thing. Zinc fence is very known for Jamaica. Apart from the murals on the walls, there's definitely a lot to see. They have a whole stretch of artisans showcasing their various products and crafts. It was really cool. Here I'm trying to get some samples of the kombucha. I liked this from before, so I definitely was excited to see her here and get to try some free samples. Earlier I showed some earrings. I purchased some of those. There were different food stands. It's definitely a refreshing way to spend your Sunday afternoon, and I would definitely go back. I really love this event. This one has got to be my favorite piece. I really liked it. The colors were just so eye-catching, and the food and the animation was super cool. This one now, questionable. Me could have did this. No offense to the artist, but I feel like me could have did this. That's weird. It was such a hot day. There was these popsicles. Definitely hit the spot. I had gotten a mango flavor. It tastes like oranges. Segment showcasing various short films made in Jamaica, and it was pretty cool to see the film work from our country.
This one now, this is like a peanut punch, but they call it a cream in Niger. It's like an Irish marshmallow, a raw peanut, pumpkin, breadfruit, coconut,
specifically asked that man, it tastes like dirt. See this? Dirt outer road. Dirt. More walking around, there was definitely a lot to see, a lot to interact with. I really wanted to try this little cafe, Wagwan Cafe, in the food truck, but this was too serious of food to go home and eat Sunday dinner. Definitely gonna circle back to them one day. Again, such beautiful artwork. I love what they're doing with downtown Kingston now. It's really reviving it, because the downtown area of a country should be its centerpiece, and I feel like having art in downtown will give people a sense of beauty so they can start treating the area better. Hopefully this can be kept up, and we'll see how it goes. You're comfortable going downtown Kingston? There was definitely a few skeptical, moments, but for the most part there was security all over on the streets in the event. So we felt super safe to have out our cameras. A lot of people were there with their cameras and stuff, which is not typical to be downtown and have all your stuff, but this is definitely a photographer's or content creator's dream. so much beautiful backdrops to see. This was also one of my favorites.